Hey, what's happening? Joshua Elder here, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing by smashing that red subscribe button below, and don't forget to tick the bell icon to receive updates on future videos that I upload when I upload them. So the topic of this video is how to do keyword research with YouTube. I'm actually going to give you two ways that you can do keyword research with YouTube. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So what is keyword research? I'm assuming most of you know what keyword research is, but for those of you that don't, it's basically the concept or the idea of finding out what a consumer is typing into YouTube or Google. So what most people are doing is they have an idea of content to create, and they really don't know if that is a topic that's in demand, right? So if I'm talking about underwater basket weaving, are people actually interested in that, right? If I'm talking about sailing with submarines, right? People probably aren't typing that in. So what we want to do is we want to find out the demand of a topic, and then we want to supply them with an answer, right? Basic economics, supply and demand. So we can use keyword tools such as YouTube itself, and we can also use this other keyword tool called keywordtool.io. We're going to be talking about both of these within this video. So first off, what we want to do is we want to start with a general keyword that represents our target market, right? So let's say weight loss. I always use weight loss as an example, and that market as an example because it's such a humongous market. So what I'll do is I'll just start typing in weight loss. Right? And as I'm typing this specific key phrase in, you'll notice that we see weight loss journey, weight loss transformation, weight loss motivation, weight loss tips, so on and so forth. So YouTube is basically telling us what people are typing into their search engine. So what I typically do is I start by brainstorming different keyword ideas around my specific market. So what I would do is I would write down all of these keywords here. And then as I begin to enter more keywords in the keyword phrase, you're going to notice if I type in workout, we got workout at home, workout for men, workout routine, workout for women at home, so on and so forth. So then I would just write down all these keywords too as well. And I mean, you could spend hours upon hours writing down different keywords. But here's the idea. We want to go for what we like to call long tail keywords. Okay, these are keywords that have at least 5 or more keywords in the keyword phrase. Now remember, a keyword is just anything that's typed into the search engine. So weight loss workout's a keyword, weight loss workout for beginners is another keyword. But if you notice, if there's more keywords in the keyword phrase, it gives you more information about the customer and exactly what they want. So there's a huge significant difference between weight loss workout and weight loss workout for women at home. You understand that it's a woman that's looking for a weight loss workout, and they also want to do a weight loss workout from home or at home. So these are the type of key phrases that we want to go for. So for example, if it's weight loss workout for women at home, what I would do is I would create a video around that specific keyword because YouTube is telling us that this is a keyword that's in demand, that people are typing in to the search engine. And if you want to get more technical, what you can do is you can jump over here, and I will leave a link in the description below to this specific keyword planner here. And it's actually better than the regular free Google Keyword Planner because it gives us more accurate data. It doesn't just give us data as far as what people are typing into Google, right? When you use the Google Keyword Planner, you can go to obviously, google.com, type in Google Keyword Planner, and it will pull up as the first result. Now that keyword planner is specifically for Google search engine. YouTube used to have a keyword planner for YouTube search engine, but they no longer have one. So this tool is going to be your next best bet, and it's incredible. So if I go to this keywordtool.io, and again, I'll link up a link in the description, so you can just go ahead and click that and come here. And you'll notice that I already typed in a key phrase, how to lose weight without exercise. But what we're going to do is we're going to delete that, and we're going to paste weight loss workout for women at home. So we found this specific long tail keyword phrase. We're going to plug it into the keyword tool here. Of course, our country is United States, English, and then we're going to click search. And check it out. It's going to tell us that this specific key phrase gets 3,236 searches into YouTube per month. So I want you to imagine, if you're somebody that's a weight loss consultant, that's a possibility of over 3,000 views to your video every single month. And then what you can do is you can choose to send them anywhere you want. You can have them click a link in the description and they can go to your website. They can get access to a free report. And they can get access to a product. Maybe you're selling a product in the description of your videos. There's so many different things that you can do. And this is just one keyword amongst hundreds and thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of different keywords out there. So here's what you want to do, guys. To summarize, you want to go to youtube.com. You want to pick a general keyword that represents your target market, your niche. Start typing in that keyword. You'll start to get other keyword ideas from that initial keyword. And once you find a long tail keyword that has at least 5 keywords in the keyword phrase, take that keyword, head over to keywordtool.io, and you want to check the demand. You'll notice this one gets over 3,000 searches. So I typically like to go for keywords that have anywhere between 1,000 all the way up to 10,000 plus searches per month. Now, if you're just getting started out, it'd be better to go for keywords that have less search volume because there's less competition, and it's going to be traditionally and generally it's going to be easier to rank for keywords that have less searches. So I hope you got some value from this video. Go ahead and like this video if you got a ton of value from it. Comment below if you have any questions. And I'll also leave a link in the description. We're actually going into detail on how to build a business using and leveraging the YouTube platform. We dive deeper into how to rank videos, what you need in like your title, description, your tags of the video. We'll go deeper into keyword research and the difference between short tail and long tail, and the difference between general keywords and actual buyer keywords where people have credit card in hand ready to buy. So I'll link up that free webinar. It's actually a free webinar in the description below. So you want to check out the resources section. And again, guys, comment if you have any questions, any feedback. Give me a thumbs up, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Again, I'm uploading videos on a daily basis to help you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. This is Joshua Elder signing off, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.